Good morning. My name is Crizel Mendoza, and this is my final project for MMS144. I chose My Family Health app, and the rationale behind this project is having a big family with many dietary restrictions with children and senior citizens. I would like to be able to track their health concerns that will help me during, doctor's visits, grocery shopping, calls to pharmacy, and packing for trips. As part of the requirements, I have created an entity relationship diagram for this project. For the sake of clarity, I have limited the attributes of the entities to what is basic and necessary to make this project work. I have designed 5 different tables called Family Member. This will contain the members of my family, their health concerns, with the dietary restrictions regarding that concern, the medications that they take, and the contraindication with that medication. Now, I also installed MySQL on my machine and created the scripts for the entities. So these are the scripts that are required. I have to create the main database. I have to create the tables needed for the database. I have to create new entries for all the tables. I have to do update entries for all the tables. I have to do delete entries for all of the tables. And some provide some useful commands for searching. Now, for the purpose of this video, I will be cutting and pasting from this file to see the result. So this is my SQL terminal. I'm going to paste my commands and see that it ran. So we're going to walk through the whole script. So as you can see, I've created the main database called Family Health. I used that database called Family Health. I created all of my 5 entities, the tables, family member, health concern. I have created a trigger, sample trigger on that. And you can see I have used primary keys and foreign keys. I have dietary restriction, medication, and I have contraindication here. So then once I've created all the entries for the tables, I did the insert statements. You see I have 7 rows for my family members. I have the health concerns. Okay, it gave me 11 rows. I have the dietary restrictions, 14 rows. And I have the medication that they take, 5 rows. And the contraindication, I have 5 rows. So I did the updates. As you can see, all of the gender is female. I made some of them male to correct it. So I did combination of select, so we see the before state, did the update, and then you will see the end state of my query. So then I did it for the dietary restriction, medication, and the contraindication as well. So after that, I did some delete entries. So I did again, as for reference, you can see I have 7 rows here. And then after the delete, I only have 6 rows in the family member. I have the dietary restriction of 14 rows, and then now it's only 13 after removing shellfish, because thankfully Pierre did not have gout anymore, so I removed gout from it, and so you can see the differences there. So these are the delete statements, and then I have set some useful commands for searching. So you can see, we can see some the adult family members. I've used different functions to show clarity, and I used joins and outer joins. So you can see several examples here. Now, my idea is to actually have this app done as an iOS application, considering all of our gadgets within the family runs on iOS. It will utilize Objective-C and/or Swift. I plan to deploy it in mobile so that it's easily accessible whenever we are outside, like doctor's visits, having pharmacy trips, or grocery shopping. And so this is it. I thank you very much for your time, and I hope that you've learned something out of it, and God bless you. Have a nice day.